A major fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic is the continued dip in oil prices. Over 3 billion of the world's population is not driving, commuting, or flying, crippling the demand for oil. In fact, U.S. oil prices turned negative for the first time in history today. Andrew Laidley reports.
The price of U.S. oil closed at negative $34 per barrel today. That means U.S. oil producers were willing to pay others $34 per barrel to take the oil off their hands. That's something we have never witnessed before. So why would traders want so badly to get rid of oil that they'd pay somebody to take it? All of the ordinary places to store crude are full right now because demand has fallen significantly while supplies continue to build. Producers don't want to stop pulling oil out of the ground because there are fixed costs involved with doing so. But negative prices should eventually be enough to persuade them to shut down operations. On the local scene, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the government would have been experiencing regret today had it gone ahead with oil hedging arrangements. An oil hedge is among one of the mechanisms the opposition People's National Party suggested as a way to help secure the Jamaican economy amid the fallout from COVID-19. Dr. Clark says he has asked the Bank of Jamaica and the Finance Ministry team to continue to review oil hedging options and advise on the next steps. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.